Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Oh God, just as I walk around the corner, the sun shines on me. This is a little bit different than my normal video because I'm getting ready to go for a ride. When I tell you, follow your passion, follow your heart, follow what calls you, follow what excites you, ignites you, and I tell you I live it every day, it's because it's what we're here for. We get to experience this life. And when you look at it from it's what you get to do as opposed to drudgery and oh my God, this sucks. Why am I here? Your whole focus changes. Your whole life changes. So yeah, I get, I'm going to show you, I get to go ride today. Oh, sorry, my cat's hitting my arm. And this would be Mary. That's Mary. She's one of my five. I still have five. I don't know where my fifth one is. He has not come home yet, but I get to go ride that today. And there's my horse. That's Button, my baby. So that is life. That's what we're supposed to do. You know, I heard something, I posted a thing on, my husband sent me this thing, on what riding, and riding a motorcycle might not be your thing. It might not, and that's okay. But they have studies of what riding a motorcycle does to your brain and how the endorphins that it releases, the good feeling things that it releases in your mind, in your body. And when you think about it, well, if you don't ride, you don't understand this concept, but when you're on a motorcycle, you're focused on what's ahead of you, what's in front of you. You glance back every now and then to see what's coming up behind you, to see where the other riders are if you're riding in a group, but you're not focused on that. You're focused on what is now, what your speed is, what the road conditions like, what's immediately ahead of you. You're not focused on the shit that's going on in your life, if there is. So you're letting the stress go. That's the magic. That's where you need to find what it is that does that for you. Whether it be riding a motorcycle, whether it be riding a bicycle, whether it be swimming, whether it be just taking a walk, whatever brings you excited. Like yesterday, I'm just going to tell you, my husband and I have, I've been doing a lot of searching about keto stuff because it's healthier, okay? And because we feel better. Now, do I follow that 100% of the time? No. I enjoy baking. It's fall. I love pumpkin spice. We went somewhere this past week, last week, and we got pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. It was okay. And I thought, you know what? That sounds amazing. And I just heard, ask and it will be granted. Because, oh my God, people, I wanted a recipe for pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. Yesterday, one popped up on, it was like a reel or something. It just popped up on my phone. And I was like, oh my God, it looks amazing. So guess what? Yesterday, I made pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. They were amazing. But it's what I enjoy doing. I get in the flow. I just enjoy baking, whatever it is for you. Find what brings you joy and go freaking do it. Just go do it. And when you do, I'm telling you, your life gets so much better. So much better. You know, the universe will bless you like I can't even tell you. Because I heard something last night about saying I am wealth, and you feel it and all this kind of stuff. And as I was walking down across my yard to put up all my chickens and put my horse up and all that kind of stuff, and as I'm saying I am wealth, this overwhelming feeling came over me of I am so much more. I am abundance. I am blessed beyond what I can tell you. It's crazy. You know, I want this for all of you. If you're not living your heaven on earth, I'm here to show you how. I'm here to show you that it is real. You get to do this just like I do. And if you are, thank God. You know? It's amazing. So go do what makes you happy. You know, if it's ride your motorcycle, ride your motorcycle. If it's and my husband is, I say working today, he's going to do his volunteer thing, but that's what he loves to do. He gets to go help somebody that is in need. But with his gifts, I bake. What did I send? Pineapple upside down cake, and one of the guys is allergic to pineapple. So I sent him one of the pumpkin, Mary, she hit my phone again. The pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. I get to do that. So anyway, I hope this helps you. I really, really, really hope it helps you. Because that is what we're here for. And when you do, and don't worry about what anybody else says. Literally. Everybody's going to have their opinion. And I just finished listening to somebody else. And they were talking about, it was a channeling. It was Source. But it's so true. Everybody has their own opinions. Do you want to live for what makes you happy and enjoy life and just be free? Or do you want to live for what you think makes everybody else happy? Because everybody else has their own opinions of what you should be doing, how you should be. Does that make you happy? Probably not. Because they're not you. You're here to have your experience, to live your life. So choose you. Choose what makes you happy. Choose what brings you joy. They're still going to have their opinions, but who cares? Because you know what? Some people wouldn't, my ex-husband used to have a saying, some people wouldn't be happy if you hung them with a new rope. There are some people in your life, and you know who they are, that wouldn't be happy even if you tried to do what they tell you to do, because they want to bitch and whine and complain anyway. They're just using you right now as the excuse. So it doesn't matter what you do, you're not ever going to make them happy. You can only make you happy. So find what it is that makes you happy I mean, that is what makes one of the things that makes me happy. So I'm going to go ride. I'm going to get some wind therapy. Not that I need therapy today, because I think you can tell I'm in an amazing space. I love life. I love my life. I want you to love yours. And I really don't give two craps about what anybody else thinks about my life. I really don't. Because I'm not here to live it for them. I'm here to live my life for me. And that's not being selfish. That's what the hell you came back for. You didn't come back to live their life or live your life for somebody else or live your life in lack or letting someone else control you. And once you step into that beautiful mindset, that beautiful existence, every day, every moment gets to be heaven on earth. Gets to be your heaven on earth. Your heaven looks different than mine, looks different than everybody else's. Don't worry about everybody else. I don't even think about everybody else, about what their thought process is, what they're thinking of me. Even on YouTube's. If you resonate with me, great. If you don't, that's okay too. I'm not going to squelch what I have to say. I'm not going to sugarcoat what I have to say or what is channeled through me. I'm not going to sugarcoat that. What I say comes from my soul. I never have. Ask my mother and my family. I've never bitten my tongue. Maybe you have. That's not a lesson I needed to learn in this life. So I've never tact. I have gained that some over my life, but I try not to hurt anybody else's feelings. But you know what? By the same token, if I hurt your feelings, that's on you. I don't mean to hurt your feelings. I don't set out to be mean or hurt your feelings. If you get hurt, it is a trigger that you need to look at. You get to look at. So anyway, it's getting windy. I am going to finish up, get ready for my ride. I send you nothing but love. Go have fun today. I don't care what it is. What brings you joy? It doesn't have to be anything big. It could just be go pet your animals. Go pet your dog. Go take your dog for a walk. Go go drink a coffee. Go drink a tea. Go drink a glass of milk. I don't care. It's you be you. But be happy. So I send you so much gratitude, so much love, so much light. And yeah, we will talk soon.